Start off by painting your nails the colour of your choice. I find pastel colours work especially well, and I'm using SE Mint Candy Apple for mine. Go in with the second coat to make sure the colour is very opaque. Once the polish has dried properly, take a dotting tool, and I've got a DIY which I'll link below if you want to see how to make one, and just do some little dots around in sort of a cloud shape. And then with a slightly darker pink polish, just dab a bit onto paper, and with the smallest paintbrush you can find, just start doing some little C shapes to be the petals onto each of the flowers you've created with the light pink. Go in with the darker pink and start creating the same C shapes you did with the first pink for the petals. Using a very dark pink or red, take a dotting tool and do a small little dot in the middle. This makes it look like the petals are very close together in the centre of the rose. Then with a green polish, take some again on a little paintbrush and do some triangle shapes coming out of the roses to look like leaves.